Good morning, one and all. I am Mohan, working as assistant professor in the Department of IT, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. First, I would like to thank IUCE as well as my college for providing this opportunity to learn online teaching course. In this semester, I am handling cloud and big data for the final year students. So I have taken Canvas as the learning management system to help the students and first, I have added students to the LMS. I also added one faculty to this course. After that, I have added a course outline. The course outline contains the COs, POs, as well as the mapping of COs and POs. These are the six COs corresponding to the course. And the COs and POs are mapped here in this table. After that, I have added prerequisites to the cloud and big data. These are the three main prerequisites for the cloud and big data. I also specified the course objectives for the course. After that, I have added the timetable for the course. The timetable specifies the timings for the period and the corresponding Microsoft Teams link for the students. Next, I have added syllabus for the course. The entire course syllabus is specified in this link. Next, I have added the lesson plan for the course. The lesson plan contains each topic-wise number of hours required, and the corresponding textbook page numbers as well as the references. I also added the contact hours. I also added virtual meeting hours for the students. Every day, every day from 4:30 to 5:30, I have provided the timings for the students through the WhatsApp for the virtual meeting. After introductory module, in that I have also added self-study materials. In the self-study materials, I have added video links for every unit. For every unit, I have added the topic-wise video links for the other video sources. That is all about self-study materials. After that, I have added module 1. The module 1 have covered the syllabus, first unit syllabus of the course. First, I have added the lecture notes for the students corresponding to the unit 1. This is the lecture notes provided to the students. After that, I also added the lecture slides which I am using during the class time. These are lecture slides which I am using during the classes. After that, I have given before that I have given a question bank for the unit 1. These are the questions which covers in the unit 1. I have given assignment for the students, and these are the questions for the unit 1, and I have created a rubrics for the assignment for the evaluation of the students. Next, I have given a quiz for the students which covers the first unit, and this is a preview. Few of them are the multiple choice questions, and some are true or false. Next, I have added the live lecture videos. For every module, I have created some discussion forums. Suppose the discussion one deals with the cloud storage versus cloud computing. What is the difference? So students can go through this discussion room, and they can discuss with each other. The same way, I also created the module 2. I have provided the lecture notes, lecture slides, question bank, as well as the I have also given assignment 2. Along with the module-wise discussion rooms, I also created a discussion room for the entire course. There, the students can share their feedback, they can ask the questions to the faculty, as well as they can ask their with the friends, and they can share their ideas. So this is the LMS which I have created for the students, final year students. Thank you.